Welcome to this walk around video of a BMW M140i. My name is Ish from Gold Automotive, and this is one of the best M140i's on the market, and as I go around the car you'll see why. So this is a 2019 LCI version, just under 12,000 miles. This is a stage 2 tuned car by Velocity Tuning. So you have the carbon fibre canyards along with the front splitter, KSB splitter. The car is in absolutely immaculate condition. All the original BMW badges have been changed to the black style ones. So it's the KSB splitter. All four alloys are completely unmarked and uncurbed. All have matching PS4s with very good tread. Side skirts with the M Performance stickers, carbon fibre mirrors, folding mirrors. Car's also finished in sunset orange. Forgot to mention that. The carbon fibre spoiler wraps around the whole back. Rear diffuser, Akrapovic exhaust tips, not an actual exhaust, but the exhaust is modified, 4.5-inch downpipe, which I'll show you how that sounds in a little bit. Tinted rear lights. So 4 unmarked alloys, side skirts and performance stickers, carbon mirrors. So stage 2, running around 480 brake with the printout, full BMW service history. Inside is in very good condition also. Have the electric memory seats, which is a nice addition. PDC, again, nice spec. ProNav, of course, heated seats, Harman Kardon, auto lights, auto wipers. So very good condition inside. The back is also in very good condition. So I'll start up the car. So mileage is on 11,921. I will attach a separate video onto this one just to show how the car sounds. It's very loud, especially in sports mode. It's a bit antisocial to do it at the moment. In extremely good condition. The car's also been lowered on I-back springs, and the car also has spacers. So in my opinion, one of the best M140s currently on the market, just because of the performance tuned. Also has a Osprey V2 intake system. There's the air intake. So if you do any questions on this car, all our contact information is on our website, goldautomotive.com. You can reach out to us on social media. We're Gold Automotive on most social media platforms. Give us a call, give us a text, give us an email, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have.